area affects people living in the following counties: Adams, Ashland, Barron, Bayfield, Brown, Buffalo, Burnett, Calumet, Chippewa, Clark, Columbia, Crawford, Dane, Dodge, Dorr, Douglas, Dunn, Eau Claire, Florence, Fond du Lac, Forest, Grant, Greene, Green Lake, Iowa, Iron, Jackson, Jefferson, Juneau, Kenosha, Kewaunee, La Crosse, Lafayette, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Marinette, North, Marinette, South, Marquette, Menominee, Milwaukee, Monroe, Oconto, North, Oconto, South, Oneida, Outagamie, Azaki, Pippin, Pierce, Polk, Portage, Price, Racine, Richland, Rock, Rusk, St. Croix, Sauk, Sawyer, Shawano, Sheboygan, Taylor, Trempealeau, Vernon, Vilas, Walworth, Washburn, Washington, Waukesha, Waupaca, Waushara, Winnebago, Wood. The air quality